You don't need a windfall to build generational wealth. You need a system that works while you're sleeping. I'm 44 years old and I'm starting over. And honestly, I do not have 40 years to wait for the market. I need automation now. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm using $3.33 a day to build a legacy. Let me tell you exactly how little I'm investing every single month and how you can do it too. So what I did was I took the $5 a day idea and I tailored it for myself. I looked at the minimum amounts that I could afford to invest every single month, and that was $100. And so what that breaks down to is $3.33 per day. Now, if you are in a position where you cannot find $3 a day to invest in your future, I really want to encourage you to audit your life. Now, if you need help to do that, I'm going to go ahead and link a video here where I go over how I was able to audit my life and free up over $300 in cash flow. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Once you are able to have that $3.33 a day, $100 a month, this is exactly what you do. I want to go ahead and let you know that my investment and brokerage account, my high yield savings account, is with SoFi. I automate everything through SoFi. So the way this works is I don't put my money in my investment accounts manually every single month. I don't do that. I set up auto withdrawal from my checking account, which is my business checking account with Chase Bank. Now, the reason why I do that is because I don't want to have to remember to transfer the money over. I want it automated. And when you can automate it, it's kind of like you set it and you forget it. And it compounds and it grows and it builds for you. And it's working while you're sleeping. And so what I do is I move my money, which is the $100 a month, all the way to my index ETFs accounts. So let me break down the 3 accounts that I'm investing in every single month. Now, this is just what I'm doing. I'm not suggesting that you should invest in these accounts. I would say do your own research and invest in any stocks that you feel is going to be beneficial for your life and your future. The first investment account is VOO, which is the S&P 500. So I split that $100 3 ways and I put a certain amount in each of these 3 ETF accounts. Okay. So the first one is VOO. The second one is VTI. Now this is the total stock exchange. That is my second investment account. And finally, the third one is VGT. Now this is information tech. Those are the 3 investment accounts that I'm investing in through SoFi, and that is through my brokerage account. Now, again, feel free to do your own research and invest in any 2 or 3 or more. And feel free to share that below if you have certain investment accounts that you are investing in, because I would love to check them out. So let's go ahead and finally talk about why automation is important and why I feel like it wins. Number 1 is, if I had to remember, starting over is already hard. It's already draining. I have so much on my plate right now. If I had to remember every single month to invest or to put money in my retirement, I probably wouldn't do it, because if I would have, I would have done it years ago. And clearly I didn't do that. That's why I'm in this situation. And this is why I really want to implore you to set everything up automated. That way it forces you to do what you need to do for your future. So all in all, what it does when you set up these automations is it removes the choice and it guarantees the results. And that's exactly what you need when you are starting over. You need to see results. You need to get your small wins, because those small wins compound and it grows and it grows and it grows. And you will start to see progress from where you once were to where you are now. And I really want to encourage my community to start investing in yourself. No matter what age you are, you might be in your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, your 70s. it's never too late. All right. So get started today. So in order to help you get started and for you to start investing your $3.33 today, I'm going to go ahead and link in the description my SoFi referral link. Now, if you do not have a bank where you are getting anywhere from 3% to 4% plus APY, I would definitely encourage you to check out SoFi. There's other banks that do this as well. So whichever ones float your boat, like do it. I don't care where you put your money, just as long as you are starting this process, okay? But if you would like to use my link, I'm going to go ahead and tag it. And you also get a bonus for starting. So that is definitely a plus. All right, y'all, that's all I have for you today. If you are new to my channel, I want to take the time to welcome you. This was your Daily Dose with Dupé. My name is Dupé Aleru, and I just want to thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, yesterday's video, all the videos on my channel. This is my journey of starting over at 40 plus. And so if you are on a similar journey, I really want to encourage you to subscribe because we are just getting started. And I can say that since I've started this journey, there's been so many blessings and so many doors that have opened in my life, just sharing. And so I would encourage you to share as well. I would encourage you to be a part of this community, comment, ask questions. I'm here to help in any way that I can. Until next time, I wish you all a beautiful and blessed day.